Homonyms are two or more than two words that pronounce same with same spelling. Example, date. Here there are three meanings for date. The day of the month or year as specified by a number. Second meaning, a social or romantic appointment. Third meaning is a fruit. First example with day of the month or year. A letter is dated June 15, 2019. Dates change for some festivals. Second meaning, with the example, a social or romantic appointment. They have been dating for 2 years. James is dating with Lucy. Third example with fruit. Third example with the date with meaning fruit. Date palm trees are cultivated in dry arid zones having irrigation facilities. Dates are good for health. Second homonym, quack. Quack meanings are sound made by duck. First meaning is sound made by duck. Second meaning, an unqualified person who claims medical knowledge or other skills. Means a fake doctor. We can say a fake doctor. Example of quack with meaning sound made by duck. He can quack like a duck. Ducks don't quack all the time. Example of quack with meaning a fake doctor. He is a quack. He doesn't know anything about treating heart disease. Though he is a quack, he treats well. He gained lot of experience within 10 years. Third homonym, nail. Here there are two meanings. A small metal spike with a broad and flat head, meku. A horny covering on the upper surface of the tip of the finger, goru. Example of nail with a small metal spike with a broad and flat head. Meku. I pulled out the nails from the door with a cutting plier. He drove a nail into the wall to hang the photo. Example of nail with meaning upper surface of the tip of the finger. She applied nail polish to her nails. She has the habit of biting her nails. Homonym 4. Fourth homonym. A particular amount of money. First meaning is a particular amount of money. Second meaning is the total amount resulting from the addition. Examples of sum with meaning money. She deposited a large sum of money in the bank. $1,000 is large sum. Examples of sum with meaning total. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of 12, 24, 7 and 11 is 54. Fifth homonym, last. Here there are three meanings for last. First meaning, the person or thing after everyone or everything else. Second meaning, most recent in time or latest. Third meaning, to remain in good condition. Examples of last. She came last to attend the meeting. He used to sit in last bench in the class. Examples of last with meaning most recent in time or latest. Last Sunday I met him. She completed her course just last year. Examples of last with meaning to remain in good condition. These shoes will last for at least 5 years. This texture is good. This shirt will last for many years. Sixth homonym, board. A thin flat piece of wood or other stiff material. This is first meaning. Second meaning, get on or get into a vehicle. Third meaning, live and receive regular meals in a house or hotel on payment. Fourth meaning, the group of people who are responsible for controlling and organizing a company or organization. Example of board with meaning a thin flat piece of wood or other stiff material. Blackboard is must to teach. Whiteboard is used in many schools. Examples of board with get on or get into a vehicle. We boarded the train at 5 in the evening. He fell down while boarding a running bus. Examples of board with live and receive regular meals in a house or hostel. She paid 10,000 for boarding. The school has boarding facility also. Examples of board with group of people who are responsible for controlling and organizing a company or organization. The board of governors meet once a month to discuss school policy. She works in intermediate board.